Hi, I'm Jason Manns with Manns Restoration. We're a fourth generation family business in Festus, Missouri. We have a full service restoration shop, and we brought a 1960 Impala here to SEMA in 2017. The car was brought to us to restore by its original owner. It had been left in a farm field to rot for dozens of years and completely decayed. So we had to do a complete frame-off full restoration with starting a roadster shop chassis. We were able to keep the original engine to the car, which is a 348 fitted with a fuel injection tri-power setup by Auto Trend EFI. The complete body was all finished using Sherwin-Williams Automotive Finishes. We used the Ultra 7000 base coat with CC200 Clearcoat and polished to a nice high gloss. The car has a full custom interior. It was designed with the original patterns in mind, but all with different textures and styles of leathers. Keep it a little bit of a custom look, but still with the original style. We went to Billet Specialties with the original hubcaps of the car, and they styled a wheel, CNC cut billet 18-inch rims to mimic the original wheels of the car, all in an idea to keep the car with the original style and design. There's a few little subtle mods. The bumpers have been smoothed into one piece, with the seams are welded and the bolts are welded in place, so it gives the car a little bit of a smooth look. We went with our partners at Ogden Chrome, and all of the trim on the car was completely chromed. Originally it would have been some polished stainless steel and aluminum, but having the chrome plating just really makes it pop. So when the car came in for the full restoration, it was originally painted white. The color was going to be changed, but he didn't know what quite to go with, so he brought in an ink pen that had a red anodized finish on it, and he wanted the car in that kind of color. So we went to Sherwin-Williams PROSPECTOR deck and were able to bring out a swatch of colors for him to pick and choose through. And once we finally got a color that he liked, we did several spray outs and ended up with this radiant red pearl base coat. We were very excited to show this car off at Sherwin-Williams booth. We were very proud to use their products and use them throughout our shop exclusively day after day. And this car had never been seen by the public until its unveiling here at SEMA in 2017.